So we're going to draw a hexagon, and we're going to draw a hexagon using just a compass and a straight edge. So the first thing to do is to draw a circle. So let's set the compass to any radius and draw our circle. Okay, once you've drawn the circle, do not change the setting of the compass. Okay, when I do this, I tend to just hold on, from now on, I just hold on to this particular arm, make a mark anywhere along the circle's circumference, and I use that point as my starting point to make little arcs all the way along the circumference of the circle. So that's 2 marks I've got there now, that's 3. Okay, that's 4, so I'm trying to be careful. Get this point here right on those arcs that I'm making. So there's another one. Yep, and one more by the looks. Okay, so when I have finished, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 arcs. That's exactly how many I need because a hexagon has 6 sides. So all I need to do now is to join these points. So adjacent points, I join. So that's 1. Just take your time, be as accurate as you can. Take the time to be bang on. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. And there is a very, very accurate hexagon.